In this video we will be learning about Issubclass function and Iter function. So this Issubclass function checks if the class argument, that is the first argument, is a subclass of class info class, that is the second argument. So let's create a class named Polygon. Okay, so this is our new class. Now let's define a method init. Okay, and let's put the argument as polygon type. Okay, so this is our argument. So let's print polygon is a, okay, and then we'll put the polygon type. Okay, so now let's create a class named triangle, and I'm going to put the argument as polygon. Let's define an init method, self as the argument, and then polygon dot init. Okay, and then we'll put triangle. Okay, so now let's print the Issubclass triangle as the first argument, and the second argument as polygon. So let's check. So the output is true. So let's print Issubclass. Okay, the first argument I am taking as triangle, and let's check second as a list this time. Okay, list. So let's check this. Here the output is false. Subclass. So here I am going to take the first as triangle, and let's check second as list and polygon. Okay, polygon. So here the output is getting as true. So is subclass of, so first I am going to take polygon, and the second as, let's check here as list and polygon. So let's run it. So here you can see the output is true. So it's important to note that class is considered a subclass of itself. So let's take the example of the Iter function. So let me comment Iter. Okay, so this Iter function returns a iterator for the given object. So let me make a vowels list. Okay, and we'll see how the Iter function works over here. I, O and U. So this is our list. So let's make a vowels underscore Iter variable, and let's call Iter, and then vowels as the argument. Okay. So let me print the next of vowels underscore Iter. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see the output is A. So let's run it again. So you can see E, again you can see I, and similarly you will get O and U also. So let's make a custom object. For that, let's create a class named PrintNumber. So this is our new class. So let's define init method. Init. Okay, and let's take self and max as the argument. So self.max equals max. Let's define another, okay, Iter method. Iter and self as the argument, and self dot num equals 0 and will return the self. Okay, so let's make a new method named next, and self will be the argument. Let's make if statement. If our self dot number is greater than equal to self dot max, then we will raise a stop iterator error. Okay. Raise stop iteration. Okay, and then let's increment the self dot 1 num with 1. Okay, and we'll return the self dot num. Okay, so now let's make a print underscore num variable, and then we'll call print number. Let's say 3 this time. Okay. So let me put print underscore num underscore iter variable, and then put here iter and print num as the argument. Okay, so let's print the, here we are going to put the print underscore num underscore iter. So let's run it and see. So you can see the output is 1. Okay, so after 3 we will get an exception. Okay, we stop iteration. So before that let us print 2 also, and here we will get the output as 3. Now we will get a stop iteration error. Okay, so let me delete that, otherwise we will get the error again and again. So let's make a class this time. Let's take the class name as double it, and I'm going to define with method self as the argument. So let's put here self dot start as 1. Okay, so let's define another method named iter, self as the argument. So we'll return the self here. Okay. So let's define another method named next, self as the argument. So here we are going to put the self dot start as start equals 2, and then return self dot start. Okay, so let's make here call equals next. Okay, so now let's make a myiter variable, and we'll call iter double it, and let's take 16 over here. Okay, so I am going to make a for statement now for x in myiter. Okay, we'll print x. So let's run it. So you can see here 2, 4 and 8. So here we have implemented a custom iterable object without a stop iteration condition.